everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Namrata and today I have 5 plants that I started my indoor gardening with, and these are mostly very easy to take care of plants, and they don't have that much of finicky water requirements except for one maybe, but they're very easy to take care of, and it is something if you're looking to begin with for your indoor gardening purposes. These I think are the best plants to start with. So why don't we just get into the plants? So let's start. The first one I have is the one which you can see is this beautiful peace lily. Now these are very easy to take care of. They don't have that much of any high light requirements. You can keep them in a low light area. But yes, they are a bit of a drama queen when it comes to watering. If they dry out, they will start drooping, and they will let you know basically that it's time to water them, and once you water them they just spurt back up. So this is the first plant that I have, and as you can see, mine is finally flowering. Of course, it's still being a little bit of a drama queen and not opening the flower quickly enough. It's been stuck like this I think for the last 5 days. I don't know how long it's going to take to open up, but nevertheless this is a beautiful plant to have in your collection. So let's get on to the next one now. Another easy to take care of plant is this beautiful ZZ plant. As you can see, this one has been with me for I think now almost 2 years. Yeah, 2 years, and he's another very easy to take care of a plant. You can even forget about watering him and he will still grow. Again, light requirements, you can keep him in a low light area. He's happy. He has no issues and problems with him. So far, I think I've watered him once in 2 weeks and he's just happy about it. I have no pest problems with this one, and it's very easy. You can just keep him and he will just grow for you. So this is another beautiful thing to have for you if you don't have time to spend on your plants and take care of them. This is another good thing to have. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh yes, another easy plant that I found is the philodendron. These are again very easy to take care of. They just don't have any issues. You just water them maybe in 3 days or 4 days as as the soil dries out, the topsoil dries out, and they pretty much grow. They need a fairly medium kind of a indirect light, not a direct sunlight. None of these require direct sunlight, but they do pretty well. And as you can see, I've been keeping this one inside because of the summer months, and there's a new leaf coming out already. So I'm very happy about that. This is very easy to take care of again, and there are lots of varieties of philodendron. If you step out to the plant nursery, you can surely get something that will suit your personality and whatever requirements for your decorative requirements that you might have for your house. Let's get on to the next one. This one is Mr. Snake plant, which is again very easy to take care of, has minimum requirements of watering. You cannot water him for 1 or 2 months and you still thrive. He also is good in low light. There's no problems and issues with him, and I think he's also a good decorative plant to have in your house. So if you want something that you just forget about and he's like just growing for you, is this particular plant. It's a beautiful snake plant. There are a lot of variants and varieties that are available in the nursery, so you just go ahead and check out as to what you have, what you need actually, sorry. And the last one which I have is the succulent, which is the Haworthia zebrina. Now this one acts a little different from other succulents because this one has a little bit of what you say is a watering need. You need to keep this soil a little wet, because when I stopped watering this, the plant just left the soil and it came out, it just uprooted itself. But now that I have figured it out, I just give it maybe like a 1/4 cup water each day. He's pretty happy and he started putting out pups. As you can see, I have one here and I have another pup over here. So he's also pretty easy maintenance plant which you can have, And you know, of course I still have him in my nursery pot because I was still trying to, you know, see what was going on. And maybe when he grows a little bigger, I will put him in another ceramic one. But this is a good one. He's been with me again, just like the ZZ plant, for more than 1.5 years, and he's alright. He's a slow grower, but he's doing well. So that's it, guys. That's all I have. These are my 5 plants that I started my, you know, planting indoor garden with, and I hope you liked this particular video. If you did, please do subscribe and like the video, and until the next video, bye.